Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I'm going to make a glass noodle soup, or using the same soup base you can also use bihun. Okay, and this soup base is going to be very flavorful but super simple. We only use 2 ingredients, which is about 3-4 tablespoons of ikan bilis and dried anchovies put inside the tea bag. Then we need some choy, okay, pickled veggie, right? So I'll probably put about 1 tablespoon or something lesser. We will boil the ikan bilis first, right? Then of course you will need some fish ball. This is the pure fish ball. This is a mixed fish ball. You can basically put anything you like lah. Okay, prepare a pot of boiling water. How do you measure how much water you need? It's actually very simple. Let's say your family use this kind of bowl. Okay, so 1 person, 1 bowl, right? So you have 3 members inside your family, then you just put 3 bowls of water inside. Probably you will put a little bit 3.5 bowl, because as you cook, some water will evaporate. So this is how I normally measure. Very simple and straightforward. So once it is boiling, we can actually throw in the ikan bilis to. I'm going to boil the ikan bilis for approximately 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes. And I will only put in the choy in the last couple of minutes. If not, it could make your soup too salty, right? So, yeah. Okay, this is after approximately boiling for about 10 minutes. We are going to put in some choy, okay? This thing here, alright, choy. Any brand will do. I'll probably put in approximately about 1 teaspoon. I think 1 tablespoon is too much. Okay, approximately 1 teaspoon here. Good enough. And don't season it with salt too early, because both the ikan bilis and also the choy will actually give saltiness to your soup, and which is a natural saltiness. Some people actually scared of any soup base made out of ikan bilis, because they say it's very fishy. Now, how do you avoid that? Well, one way is definitely to choose a higher grade of ikan bilis. How do you know it's higher grade? Usually it's more expensive. Other than that, well, a higher grade ikan bilis usually is more towards the yellowish color, and it's very clean. You can see it's actually very clean, and they have already removed all the heads, yeah, and the innards. So you don't want to put the heads and innards inside. That whole thing is going to make your soup very, very fishy, right? So we wait for another 2 minutes, then I will put in the rest. And meanwhile, I actually soak my glass noodle. Okay, I actually soak my glass noodle in water until it is softened. So this is after another 2 minutes. I'm going to put in the mixed fish bowl and the fish bowl. Let me clear my kitchen top. And we should let this boil for another 2-3 minutes, and our soup base is done. Simple. So after cooking about 15 minutes, you may want to take out your ikan bilis. Okay? If not, you still can make your soup fishy, and you don't want it to be too fishy. So the whole cooking time for this soup, total cooking time, is somewhere between 13 to 15 minutes. You adjust it yourself. Now we just want to make sure all the fish bowl is fully cooked, which will take probably about less than 2 minutes only lah. Okay. You can adjust to taste using some salt if necessary, but I know it's already salted because of the ikan bilis and the choy. So I have boiled some water at the side. Let me give it a little bit of salt inside. Now we are going to cook our glass noodle. The glass noodle is already soaked until softened, alright? Oh, I can give There's a little bit of oil. Okay. And we're just going to cook this glass noodle until it is fully cooked. It will take very fast. See? Once everything turns transparent, it's done. If you're not sure, just take a little bit out to taste it. It should be done. So I'm going to take it out. Okay, I have tasted a little bit just now. It is not cooked through yet, so I'm just going to give it to let it continue cooking for probably about 1 minute or so. Yeah, 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, now we are going to combine everything together. Let's put in some spring onion at the bottom, a bit of light soya sauce, few dashes of white pepper, some garlic oil, or you can use sesame oil or onion oil, up to you. Any oil that can season the soup. Then we have some fried onion, after that, this is the glass noodle, and we are going to add in the noodle soup. And not forgetting the fish ball. I will still put some spring onion on top. Alright. Right, here's my very simple glass noodle soup. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy your dinner with your family. Bye bye.